Mr. President, dear colleagues, dear friends. The European People's Party is the main pro-European political force. There would be no European Union as we know it today without the EPP. Our responsibility for the future of the European Union and for the European civilization is therefore enormous. When my party joined European People's Party 15 years ago, our European family was on the rise. At that time, Europe was again whole and free. Our values and our program inspired EU institutions and our European political partners. Several victorious European elections followed, and with a strong majority in the European Council, EPP has taken over the main EU institutions. For a certain period, we have been strong and determined enough to lead the European Union in line with our program. The EPP also shaped successful outcome of the last economic and financial crisis. With the migratory crisis, situation drastically changed. There was no unity in the European Union. There was no unity inside of our family either. Today it is clear who was right and who was wrong, and we are facing the consequences. Today it is not the EPP decisively shaping the policies of the European Union institutions anymore. Sometimes it is quite opposite. The policies of the EPP are influenced by institutions and big coalitions. And this will not work in the future. Institutions are precious. We need them. Robert Schuman said it best. Nothing happened without people, nothing lasts without institutions. But they are second and people are first. People are first at national and at EU level. And we are called People's Party, European People's Party. When we face a problem, we have to know it and we have to name it properly. This is very important. Currently, we are making, the majority will not agree with me, but I think we are making a small mistake. Populism is not the cause for the main European problems. It is a consequence. It is a reaction. And an answer, usually the wrong one, but still not the issue. And we will not eliminate the problem by simply accusing others of populism. By calling someone a populist when he or she is lying, we are doing them a huge favor. He is a liar and not a populist. On the other hand, if something is true and we call it populism, we are misleading ourselves. Therefore, we have to start judging problems on the basis of real facts and not on the basis of our wishful thinking. The next 2 years will be crucial for the destiny of the historical achievement for the EU project. The responsibility of the European People's Party on both the EU and the national levels for the future of Europe is enormous. Multi-speed European Union today is, frankly speaking, a fact. But this is not the solution. In the agreed common areas, we need one speed and we need one clear responsibility. We have to secure our borders to such levels that we will not be dependent anymore on goodwill of the second or third party leaders. To re-establish the trust of the people in not only prosperous, but also secure Europe, has to become our genuine goal, supported with a resolute action. If we fail to do it, the EU project will fail. And as a family, we have to continue to support always our sister parties across the continent and not helping socialists sometimes in destroying them with selective justice, Soros money and unreasonable demands, risking destabilization of the entire region, as we are witnessing this now in Macedonia. As European People's Party, we need to go back to our values. We need to rethink our identity and start fighting for it. We need to fight for the people, for Europeans, for our heritage, our freedom, our way of life, and our future. Who, if not the EPP? Because we are the People's Party. Thank you very much.